What's up guys, it's Dakota here from ZZPerformance. I want to talk a little bit about my Sonic. We just made some really good power on the dyno. I think it was last week. Currently makes about 280 wheel horsepower and almost 300 foot-pounds of torque. Daily street monster. Had the Sonic probably 4 years now, and it's pretty much a full catalog car other than internals. Z04, big intercooler, intake, full suspension, our coilovers, rear sway bar. It's the perfect, fun, streetable, daily driven race car. Yeah, so it's got pretty much full bolt-ons. It does have a cam and our valve springs and retainers. From the head down is bone stock, 130,000 miles. I bought it with 60K on it, and really the only failure I've had was I found second when I was going for third, and she needed some love in the transmission. But other than that, it's a riot to drive. Sonic in stock form is pretty painful to drive, but my first mods, cold air intake, downpipe, and a tune from Tim, got it to where it's pretty respectable for a stock car, essentially. And I went immediately to suspension. All the boys here take a trip down to Taylor Dragon, seems like every summer. I wanted it to handle good and look good before anything else, because at the end of the day it is a Sonic, but this one's a Sonic you shouldn't sleep on. So I ended up going with our coilovers. I've got our rear sway bar and our Brembo 4-piston front brake kit. Essentially turned your brake pedal into a pause button for reality. It stops on a dime. Corners insanely well. Got a good alignment on it with some good tires. Speaking of that, we got some Forge Star F14 wheels right at home on the Sonic. It's 18 by 8.5 setup, square. And if you want your Sonic to look good, wheels and suspension, and that'll be pretty well dialed. That's pretty much the build as it sits. We had a lot of guys asking about the build after our dyno video for it, where we scratched, I think it was 285 to the wheels. It's an absolute riot to drive. Yeah, that's about it. I'm Dakota, again, with ZZPerformance. Go fast, not broke.